Hello viewers, welcome back to IT System Admin. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Hyper-V no internet connection on Windows 11 VM. Here in my Hyper-V Manager, I have a Windows 11 VM, and in my Windows 11 VM, it shows no internet access. Now I am going to show you step-by-step fixes. First step, I need to check Hyper-V virtual switches. On upper left corner, go to Virtual Switch Manager. If you use default switch, check default switch is connected with external network. Make sure this is selected, and in drop down menu, your physical Ethernet adapter is selected. Good practice is to create an external virtual switch to get internet. I have already created. The name is X virtual switch. Here also make sure external network is selected, but in my case it's selected with internal network. I'm selecting it to the external network and selecting the appropriate physical network adapter and click on apply and then click on yes. First fixes is done. Hope you will get internet connection, but in my case still the problem is continuing. Now I will go for next fix. Right click on your Hyper-V virtual machine and click on settings and click on network adapter. It's not connected. Click on the drop down menu and select external virtual switch. Then click on apply and click on OK. Hope this will fix your issue. I'm going to check, and the problem is still continuing. I'm going for next fix. Minimize Hyper-V Manager. In search type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. In View Type, select Category and then click on Network and Internet. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. You have to make sure your external virtual switch adapter is enabled. Here, select your physical network adapter from here and right click on it and then click on Properties. And in last option, you have to make sure Hyper-V extensible virtual switch option is selected. Then click on OK. Close network connection wizard and close network and sharing center. Hope this fixes solved your issue, but in my case still there is no internet. Now next step, in Windows 11 VM, go to search and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. In View by, keep category selected. Then click on Network and Internet. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Right click on your network adapter and then click on Enable. But still, internet connection is not established. Go for next fix. Right click on your network adapter and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on Properties. Here in my network adapter, manual IP address is configured, but I have a DHCP server to configure it automatically. So select Obtain an IP address automatically and then select Obtain DNS server address automatically also. Click on OK, then close. And finally, my internet connection is established. Close network connection wizard and close network and sharing center. If you still do not get internet, go for next fix. Go to the search and type CMD. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. In command prompt, type netsh winsock reset. Then hit enter. Winsock catalog is successfully reset, and you must restart your computer, but I will restart later. Now type netsh int IP reset. It will reset TCP IP stack to default configuration and reset successfully. Now close command prompt and click on start menu, then click on power and click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your issue is solved. If still no internet, then go for next step. Go to search and type CMD. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then click on yes. In command prompt, type ipconfig/relay. This will remove current IP address configurations. Hit enter. Then type ipconfig/renew. This will reassign IP address from the DNS server. Hit enter. And IP address already been assigned. Now, next command ipconfig/flush DNS. This will clear DNS resolver cache and hit enter. DNS resolver cache successfully flushed. That's it. After completing these steps, hope you will get internet successfully on your Windows 11 in Hyper-V virtual machine. If you have any further query, please do not hesitate to comment here and I will answer accordingly. Thank you very much.